It's immaculate.
Okay.
Look.
I believe you, Mom.
I just scrubbed it with a tonic. And I put it in the dishwasher once a month. So I know it's completely clean. I wouldn't worry about stuff in my house, Robin.
I wasn't worried. I wasn't worried. I just don't like the taste when something is off. I use paper in mine too.
Well, my water is filtered throughout the house, including my it's just throughout the whole system is filtered. Okay. And I just had the charcoal changed a month ago.
Back during the early Jurassic, there was this herbivore known as Anchisaurus. Back on dinosaurs roamed America.
What kind of coffee machine do you use now?
What do I have? I have an old Cuisinart. But I have a, what's the one I'm getting? I have a Capresso if we come here. I have a Capresso if we get an apartment. I have a Capresso pack. What?
What is a compressor pack?
It's packed already. It's a coffee maker.
Oh, what's the difference?
Nothing. It's a brand that I represent.
Huh?
It's one of my brands, Mom, that I represent.
Oh, you got it.
No, I did an editorial for them, so it takes hours,
Back
Mom,
then,
to do my editorials.
sauropods looked like this.
I think you're fabulous, Robin.
Back during the early Jurassic.
I think what you do is unbelievable. Right, Kyle?
Yeah, right.
Kyle got a sponsor.
And done.
He got